So let's move on to the sketch pattern we are doing. Here I am doing circular sketch pattern. So first I select the center point, then this circle. So you get this has center point it is making 4 circles as pattern. So here we want the total degree 360. I am changing this to 90. So you can see it is making like this. In this 90 degree it is making 4 circles. If I click OK, it will come. So this is how you can make the circular pattern. So now I can edit the sketch. I don't want these two circle outside because I cannot make the extrusion. So I delete them. Now I make the extrusion. Extrude both. I click the sketch, but not in like this. So it will make. So we are getting the sketch 60 depth. Now make the fillet. This is feature. In feature there is fillet and chamfer as in sketch. So you can make it fillet here, here, and you can make the preview, full preview or partial. So I'm creating here 20. So it is creating 20 mm radius fillet. Now here again I am making chamfer. This is in feature chamfer. This also 30 chamfer is created. So now what I want to cut one portion of the piece. I'm cut here. Here I'm cutting one portion. So I create sketch above the face. First select the face, then click on sketch. Now if it is not moving, then you can move by yourself. Here click here the rectangle. Now give dimension 120, and this side make it 100. Now make sure the center point here and the center point here are horizontally coincident. Now click extrude cut. It will cut the material.